Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by powering down and unplugging. Remove any external drives. You want to prevent shorts and static, so touch metal or wear an anti-static strap. Next, clear a flat workspace and lay down a microfiber cloth. Use compressed air to blow out vents from several angles, short bursts only, to avoid spinning fans too fast. Then, use a soft brush to dislodge trapped dust. Once done, the exterior is ready for targeted cleaning. You continue with more precise steps. If you open the chassis, keep screws organized and work slowly, photograph layouts for reassembly. For the keyboard, blow out debris, then lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl to remove grime between keys, avoid soaking. For fans and heat sinks, blow from exhaust side to push dust out, not deeper in. Clean the screen by applying isopropyl to the cloth, then wipe gently in horizontal strokes to prevent streaks. Once complete, recheck connectors. You finish by reassembling in reverse order. Reconnect cables, align panels, and tighten screws snugly. Do not over-tighten. Plug in and boot the laptop. Watch fan behavior, listen for unusual noise, and check keyboard and ports for function. Monitor temperatures for 10-15 minutes to ensure proper cooling. If something goes wrong, like a fan not spinning or no display, power down immediately, disconnect battery and power, then retrace steps. Make sure connectors are seated. If needed, consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.